हम जब 20 इयर्स बाद ये ब्लॉग देखेंगे
बोले क्या ईडल हो गई
Hi everyone, I'm Meenal. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to another vlog. The date today is 29th of December. Today's day is very special because it's our anniversary. So I woke up to this. Actually Karan कल ही ये ले आए थे. Surprisingly, this was the first time when I actually had no idea that he's getting something, and he got me all the things that I really love. He got me something from Body Shop, H&M, Zara, and obviously flowers, because there's nothing complete without flowers. We had planned something for our anniversary, but Kimara recently recovered from a viral fever and Myra has fever now, so we don't want to risk anything, so we have dropped all the plans and we'll celebrate at home. Maybe thoda sa bahar jayenge because Myra has been very keen since last 3-4 days. She's been like ghumi jana, so maybe like a round or something, but we don't want to take them out anywhere because we don't want to exhaust them, because अगर आप exhaust करोगे तो viral का turn back होने के chances ज़्यादा होते हैं. So we don't want to do that. Touch wood, by God's grace everything is fine, everything is normal. Doctor से हम लोगों ने consult कर लिया है, so no need to worry. Normal fever है, हो जाएगा, it will take its own course.
गुड मॉर्निंग हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी
You get very awkward in front of the camera. Hi baby.
Hi,
How are you feeling?
it's sleepy.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Yeah,
Are you okay?
yeah.
Hi.
Hi,
Dida सो रही है?
yeah.
Dida is sleeping?
My house. Okay, my house.
Gucci mama.
House. My house.
Your house, yes. Your house. So I also have got little tiny things for Karan as presents. Like obviously हम लोगों ने ज़्यादा presents पे focus नहीं किया था because we were more focused कि हम लोग कहीं जाएंगे, and you know we had planned something कि दिन का ये plan होगा and night को we'll go to a fancy dinner, and Karan had planned a very nice dinner for us, but nonetheless, but anyways, हाँ baby गोदी चाहिए?
Yeah.
हाँ. So yeah.
My uncle did
देते हैं ना गुड्डू. So nonetheless, अभी मेन फोकस है मायरा पे. That is more important. Yeah. पहले मैंने सोचा था कि मैं सारे गिफ्ट रात को दूंगी when before we go to the dinner, but now I think कि अभी दे देना चाहिए because obviously Karan थोड़ा. 1 second बाबा.
down, Cody.
Falling down?
I'm down, Cody.
ये ला पकड़ लो, ठीक है. तो पहले मैंने सोचा था कि मैं रात को दे दूँगी, बट देन आई थिंक अभी दे देते बिकॉज करण को थोड़ा सा एक्साइटमेंट भी है दैट व्हाट आई गॉट. सो गॉट सर्टन थिंग्स फॉर हिम, एंड ऑल्सो माई मम एंड डैड हैज सेंट अस लाइक फ्यू थिंग्स राइट हियर जो बच्चों के प्ले रूम में घुसी रखी है. आई नो वट दे हैव सेंट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई हैड अ पार्ट टू प्ले इन इट. करण हैव नो आइडिया. सो आई थिंक कि अभी इज़ द टाइम over coffee that we can share our gifts and then we can enjoy the rest of the day जैसे जैसे जाता है जो भी जाता है. Karan has gone to the washroom, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं फटाक से ना गिफ्ट सारे टेबल पे रख देती हूँ, so he'll get all like happy when he sees them. And this year basically I decided regarding the gifts that I will only buy and accept something which is actually useful for us. There's no point of buying something. I have recently realized that there's no point of buying something fancy which you're not going to use. Rather you should buy things that you are going to use. A lot of things before पहले क्या होता था, a lot of times when I was young, you know, I'm only focused on things which are like very fancy and expensive and I should buy them. But now that I'm growing older, I realize that it doesn't make sense. Like you buy something so expensive and then it sits around the house, you don't even use it, so there's no point of it. Rather you spend your money in something that you're going to use eventually, right? So apart from that, Karan has also got me a few other things. जो मुझे पता थी बिकॉज वो पहले से ही आ गई थी, तो आई नो वॉट इट इज़, बट दिस इज़ द बेस्ट गिफ्ट एवर. If you want to give me something, there are only three things that are really, really important to me. There's Harry Potter, there's friends, and there's coffee. These are the three things that I can like live off. I'm like obsessed. I cannot live without friends, without Harry Potter, and without coffee. These are the three daily doses which I really, really need. I can see it over and over. I can watch it over and over and over and over again. Even Kimara knows what is my favorite movie and what is my favorite show now. So yeah.
What is that?
Wedding day.
Whose wedding day?
You wedding. Your wedding day.
Oh, your mom. Whose favorite movie is this?
Mommy.
Mommy's favorite movie is?
Harry Potter.
waffles. इतने सारे. So nice.
Look at this one.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, baby.
Are you mad or what?
ये मैं नहीं, ये मम्मी पापा की तरफ.
इतना?
So what, हम बाहर नहीं जा रहे, हम घर में है तो चश्मा पहन के. अभी थोड़े दिनों में, थोड़ी देर में बच्चे लाइफ जैकेट भी पहनेंगे.
They have it. वैसे.
तो वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, थोड़ी देर में ये भी पहन के घूमेंगे घर में. और देखो तुम्हें
Doing cute.
बेटा, this is not for you.
Read it.
Huh? देखो मैंने सुना नहीं था ठीक से.
क्या नहीं, बहुत अच्छा परफ्यूम लाया. So cute. So cute. So cute. ऐसे फर्स्ट टाइम होगा ना कि तुम खुद से बिना मेरी हेल्प के लेके आए. Why?
पहले भी ले जब.
कब लाए? मैं साथ में ही रहती हूँ ना. फर्स्ट टाइम यू अकेले जाके what did know for me. It is very nice. I was very scared जब तुमने बोला परफ्यूम, मुझे लगा फिर तुम वो मस्क वाला लेके आओगे. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा ही लगेगा. बट दिस इज वेरी नाइस. सोचो ना, हम जब 20 years बाद ये ब्लॉग देखेंगे.
बोले क्या ईडल हो गई.
So the time is 11:30 right now. We have decided that we'll go to a place for brunch. This is the place where we usually go. We all love it. Like the kids especially love that place because वहाँ पे बहुत yum pancakes and waffles मिलते हैं. Me and Karan, it's our favorite place to go for brunch. So we're thinking we'll go there. घर के काफ़ी पास भी है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. Myra and Kimara both are feeling well right now, so we can do that. Evening dinner वगैरह का नहीं, because शाम को usually हो सकता है Myra को थोड़ा सा fever आए, possibility. So we don't risk it. तो अभी they both are feeling very good. So हमने सोचा हम लोग brunch के लिए जाते हैं. I'm going to be wearing this sweatshirt. The new sweatshirt that Karan got me from H&M. It's so cute. So, yay. Also something random, but I would like to share something with you all. If you guys are looking for something really cute to give to somebody who's really important to you, I found this thing online. It's like a map. So whatever the location you want to choose, I have so here, this is the place where we got married in Nasik, the hall. So yeah, that's so cute. So they put all the coordinates or something like that on the map, and then you can customize what you want to write here and here. So I think it's a really, really cute. And it's a very cute way to express that you care and love. They also send this like very beautiful pictures. You can write whatever, like you can custom write whatever you want to write. So that's so beautiful. I thought I should share it with you in case you are wondering that what you should get your loved one. This can be a really beautiful gift. There are a lot of sites जो ये चीज़ ऑफर कर रही हैं. So yeah. So the time currently is 12:40. We're almost ready. I just have to put on some makeup. I'll do my hair. I'll do बच्चों के बाल भी मुझे बनाने बाकी हैं. But I'm wearing this new sweatshirt that Karan got me. I love it. It's so nice, loose, comfy, baggy kind of a thing. I just love such kind of comfortable clothes, especially winters के time में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It has a very cute Mickey Mouse print also. So, thank you. He also got me, he's so cute, he also got me this Body Shop hamper. And the best part about this that he remembered to put this chapstick. I was talking about that I needed a chapstick and he got it. So it's really nice when somebody pays attention to details and listens or what you want and takes care of it. Ulta pehni ho Myra. Guys, wait for it. What do you want? Video or a photo?
Video.
Video. I am Rekha. जाओ बेबी बैठ जाओ. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. 6 years.
6 years. वीकडे है वैसे तो प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है भीड़ होना. Hey guys, okay? Very Myra, कहाँ हो? Don't touch it. चलो, come sit.
Yes.
Or do I do it?
If you could do it, it would be helpful.
Give baby.
It's big. What's that?
Good job.
Really? Like,
You have your own glass, right?
I love it.
What have you ordered?
Waffle.
Look here and talk. What have you ordered?
Waffle.
She wants to eat. How's it?
It's not spicy.
You can add chili. Whose wedding day is it?
No.
Huh?
Our wedding day.
Our everybody's. You, me, Daddy, Myra, everybody.
Yes.
Yeah?
Hi. Hello.
No.
Together.
सो अभी बज रहे हैं 3:30. हम लोग का ब्रंच क्या आप लंच ही बोल लो. लंच हुआ अभी. अब वी वांटेड टू हैव सम कॉफ़ी तो मैंने सोचा स्टारबक्स जाते हैं बिकॉज मायरन के मायरा अच्छे मूड में हैं तो हम जा सकते हैं. यूजुअली हम एक ही चीज़ कर पाते हैं, या तो हम ब्रंच कर सकते हैं, इधर वी कैन ईट समथिंग और वी कैन हैव कॉफ़ी. आज खा भी लिया, बच्चों ने भी अच्छे से खा लिया. दे आर ऑल्सो इन अ गुड मूड, मतलब घूमने वूमने के मूड में हैं. तो हमने सोचा चलो कॉफ़ी पिया जाए, तो अभी कॉफ़ी पीने जाते हैं.
Waffle chips.
वॉफल चिप्स तो घर पे है. क्या
Banana.
बनाना? ये हमारे मिनियन का कोई कुछ कर दो, इसको बनाना के अलावा कुछ नहीं दिखता. बनाना बनाना.
Mom, let's talk about animal cats.
Animal cats.
Yeah.
What's animal cats?
Like a worm.
What? What?
A worm.
कुठे अजून
How many?
You don't
दुसरा
manage.
नाही
You
काय
sit
बघू
down.
शकणार? बरं, ठीक आहे मी विचारतो जर ते इन्व्हेंटरी खाली झाली.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
हट कॉफी हट.
Hot pita.
हॉट पीनो नहीं होता है.
What you got for me?
Oh yeah.
So we went to Starbucks and then I told him that this is really cute. So जब वो मायरा के लिए पानी की बोतल लेने गया था तेरे क्या?
It's a keychain.
It's a keychain. It's so cute. It's so cute. Actually हम लोग गए थे और वहाँ पे मैं कॉफ़ी ऑर्डर कर रही थी and I saw this. But then उस टाइम पे I was getting cookies for kids so I couldn't buy it. But I told him that it's really cute and remind me to buy this one. And जब मायरा के लिए वो पानी लेने गया था उसे got it. अभी हम घर आए तो उसने बोला कि he remembered. So thank you.
So there's this thing about Karan that whenever I tell him that I want something, he makes sure that he gets it for me, no matter वो कहाँ से मैंने बोली है, कौन से समय पे बोली है, क्या बोला है, but he always makes sure that he gets it for me, and I feel I'm like very grateful and blessed to have somebody like this in my life. Actually मुझे कभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी शादी हुई ही नहीं है, बिकॉज जब पहले मैं अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ रहती थी, सो दे हैड द सेम बिहेवियर. लाइक माई फादर, नो मैटर कौन से टाइम पे मैं उनसे क्या भी मांगूँ, एंड ही विल मेक इट पॉसिबल, ही विल डू दैट फॉर मी. फॉर्चुनेटली Karan is the same in that matter. He will always, कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि मैंने कुछ बोला है और वो नहीं हुआ. ऑलवेज इट इज़ लाइक कि मैंने कुछ बोला है, वो मैंने कितनी भी बजे बोला है, ही विल मेक श्योर ही ट्राई हिज लेवल बेस्ट कि वो चीज़ हो जाए. सेम एज माई पापा. सो आई फील रियली ब्लेस्ड दैट आई हैव माई पापा एंड Karan, and you understand what I mean. All the, if you're married, you will understand कि मैं भी क्या point बनाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. But I just feel very grateful and thankful. So the time currently is 9 p.m. Now we will start our anniversary celebration. We are keeping it very, very basic and very, very us. I'm wearing something very, very comfortable because it's like a very cozy, nice, at-home date night. Kimara and Myra both are fine right now, and I'm so glad we did not take them out. Otherwise, they would have exerted themselves. So for them today, they had pizza. Actually बच्चों का डिनर तो हो चुका है, तो it's just me and Karan. So this is the setup that I have done. We can chill here, and I have ordered our favorite food. I have also ordered a cake. So yeah, that is actually pretty much it for today. That's how we plan on celebrating our anniversary, by spending time with each other, being with each other, and doing what we love. That is like chilling, eating, watching something nice. A very nice at-home date night for us. Today's day has been excellent. I had not thought, मैं नहीं सोचा था that it would go so well, but it went very, very well. Very comfortable, very nice. I don't want to vlog anymore. I just want to spend time with my husband. And that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Till then, be grateful and count your